Have you ever needed a reminder that you're not doing life alone? Sometimes we carry so much on our shoulders that we forget we're not meant to do it all by ourselves. God's love is not just something to believe in, it's something to lean on, to draw strength from, to be supported by. It holds you when you're tired. It lifts you when you're low, and it walks with you through everything you face. So today, let's tune into that love, not just with our words, but with our hearts. Let's remind ourselves that we are backed by something greater, something stronger, something that never fails. God's love supports you today, and that makes all the difference. Let's begin. God's love supports me today. I lean into divine strength and feel fully held. There's nothing I face alone because God is with me. I am supported in my decisions, my actions, and my direction. Every moment is guided by a higher power that loves me. I am strong because I am supported by love. When I don't know the way, I trust that God is guiding me. Even when I feel unsure, I am not unsupported. God's love flows through every step I take. I don't carry the weight of life alone. I carry it with grace. God's love is my quiet anchor and my loudest truth. I feel peace in knowing I'm being held by something divine. There is no pressure when I remember I'm supported. I release control and trust that divine timing is always working. I am guided, loved, and empowered by His presence. God's love gives me the courage to show up fully. Every breath is a reminder that I'm not walking alone. Today, I move in faith, covered in divine support. God's love is the foundation I stand on. No matter what happens, I am held in grace. I am supported in my healing, my growth, and my joy. God's love protects my peace and expands my faith. I rise each day knowing I'm carried by something greater. God goes before me and clears the path. I don't need to force things. I flow with divine order. My soul is anchored in something eternal. I trust the pace, the path, and the process. I am not behind. I am right where love has led me. When I feel weak, God's strength rises within me. Support doesn't always look loud. Sometimes it feels like quiet peace. God's love is constant, even when everything else changes. I am safe in the unknown because I know who walks with me. God's support allows me to let go of what I can't control. I move through the day with grace, not fear. Every challenge is met with divine help and heavenly perspective. God's love softens my heart and strengthens my spirit. I do not walk alone. I walk with love beside me. I am never without a lifeline. God's love is always near. There is purpose in my steps because I am divinely supported. I allow myself to rest, knowing I'm not the one holding it all together. I am guided through uncertainty by divine wisdom. God's love is my compass and my calm. The answers I seek are revealed through divine timing. I don't have to carry the burden. I can hand it over to God. Support is not just spiritual, it is personal and real. God is in the details of my day. I am wrapped in love I didn't have to earn. I am held through every emotion with compassion and grace. My faith is stronger than my fear. God's love is with me in the waiting, the rising, and the becoming. Each step I take is supported by something infinite. When I pause to breathe, I can feel God near. I surrender the need to know, and I choose to trust. There is power in knowing I am not alone. Today is not mine to carry alone, and it never was. I am supported, I am loved, and I am never forsaken. If these words reminded you of your strength, your worth, and your support, comment below, God's love supports me today. Let this be your spiritual reset, to trust the path, to lean on love, and to let yourself be supported by the one who never lets go. Wishing you peace, strength, and divine support today and always.